So number 3, integers. The boys are standing near a tree. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 boys. There can be 10, 20, 40, 100, 1,000, 1 crore. So these are known as natural numbers. When there is a boy, you count. When there are number of boys, you count them all. So your natural numbers begin with 1, 2, 3, and it goes on. As many counts as there are number of boys. So these are known as natural numbers. If there is someone, then you call natural number. Suppose one boy goes out. He goes out. How many boys remain? 6. Now 1 out of 7, out of 7, suppose all the boys go away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 minus 7. That means no boys have remained. There is not a single boy. But how to represent mathematically? For that we make use of a 0. There is no boy remaining under the tree. All have gone away. So 0 boys are there under the tree. There were 7 boys. 7 boys left. So how many boys are there now? 0 boys. 0 boys means no boy at all. That is the concept, 0 concept. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 dot are called counting numbers. They are called counting numbers or natural numbers. But if you count the grains of sand on the beach, will you be able to count them? No. That will be a very large number which you are unable to count. So these are all natural numbers. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, dot. It can go any, you can take any number 321 or 324, 322, 324, or dot, dot, dot. It will go on till you come at the number 28573. These are all natural numbers. And just now we had discussed that out of 7 boys, if all the 7 go out, how many boys remain? Nothing remains. So nothing is denoted by a 0. Now we need a 0. Our natural numbers do not have a 0. So we need a 0. So we start with 0, counting 0. That means none of the boys are there. Then 1 boy comes, 2nd boy comes, 3rd boy comes. So if you go on, the boys go on adding, then what will happen? This becomes the whole numbers. These are known as whole numbers. Your natural numbers do not have a 0, but the whole numbers have a 0 at the beginning. So the whole numbers, they begin with 0, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, 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 dot. There can be many numbers till 366. Then you can write 367. What does it mean? All the numbers from 5 to 366 are denoted by these dots. They are there, but we are unable to write them because of the space constraint, and also it is not required to write down all the numbers. We can understand that all these numbers are present till we arrive at the number, say 237105. So between 0 and this last number, all the numbers are present. No number is absent. So these are known as whole numbers. In January, there is snowing in Kashmir, and the temperature reported was -8 degrees Celsius. So what does minus mean? Our thermometer has a scale of 0 to 100 degrees. We know that the freezing point of water, that means where ice is formed, is 0 degrees. At 0 degrees, ice is formed. So what do you mean by -8 degrees? That means our thermometer is designed to measure up to 0 degrees. We have the scale up to 0 degrees as the freezing point of water. Below freezing point of water, we call them as minus temperatures. It will be in degrees only, but it will go down. So 0 degrees is comparatively more temperature. 0 degrees is more temperature. -8 degrees is very, very low temperature as compared to 0 degrees. Suppose we have ice at -8 degrees Celsius. So if we start heating the ice, it will not melt till it shows a temperature of 0 degrees. The ice will, even though we are heating the ice, it will not melt till it achieves 0 degrees. That means 0 degrees is the standard for the freezing point of water. Below that, ice is there, but it is cooler than the ice at 0 degrees. So it is very, very low temperature. So these are denoted by minus temperatures. These are called negative numbers. So -1, -2, -3 are all negative numbers. -1 is bigger than -2. -2 is bigger than -3. So these are negative numbers. We can make use of a line on which we represent numbers. This is known as a number line. Number line. On the top you have written number line, showing integers on the number line. So this is the number line. Where we have the number line, this is the number line. And it has got an origin. 0 is taken as the origin. For the number line, we take 0 as the origin. And the number line extends to the right. You can see the arrowhead at the right. It extends to the left also. It has got an arrowhead to the left also. As we proceed to the right, the numbers go on increasing. The value goes on increasing. As we go to the left, the value goes on decreasing. Now you can see, let us move from 6 to 7. The value has increased by 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 is 7. Then if we move from 7 to the next, what will be it? What will be the number? It will be +8. Right, you are right. It will be +8. And further, if we move one step further, what will be the number? Yes, right, you are right. It should be +9. So 9 is bigger than 8, 8 is bigger than 7, 7 is bigger than 6, 6 is bigger than 5. It is like that. You move to the left, the number decreases. Can you see it? Yes, you can see, no? We are moving from 5 to 4, the number decreases by one stop. So as you go on up to the origin, it becomes 0. But if you move to the left, the value goes on decreasing. 0 after 0, it will become -1, -2, -3. So what we can do is, suppose we have a staircase at the ground level. Suppose you have a ground and here there are stairs. You move up. So this is your 0. You are moving up. 1. You move up by 1, 2, 3. This is the ground level, ground. Suppose you have a well over here, a well. Inside the ground you have a well. Suppose the well, it is connected with the staircase. So you dig a staircase like this in below the ground level. So your 0 is here. 0 is your ground level. If you go below the ground level, it is -1. Still further down, -2, -3, -4. Now is it clear to you all? As you go down, ground will be our 0. Moving above the ground will be all positive numbers. Moving below, it will be negative numbers. Below 0 level, we are having negative numbers. It will be in steps. -1 is the first step, -2 second step, -3 the third step, -4 the fourth step. But we cannot go on making such diagram. So we make use of just an ordinary number line. We can show a 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. You can go on adding 6 and 7 till you wish. And you are moving to the right of the origin. This is the origin. O is the origin. 0 is the origin. If you move to the left, what numbers you are going to get? Negative numbers. So -1. Right. What is the next number? Right. -2. What is the next number to the left? -3, -4 and so on. So you can understand now. We had seen the steps. 2 was lower than 1. -2 was lower than -1. -1 is lower than the ground level, one step below. -2 is 2 steps below. That means -2 is smaller than -1. -1 is smaller than 0. 1 is bigger than 0. 2 is bigger than 1. 3 is bigger than 2. 4 is bigger than 3. 4 is bigger than 3 also. 4 is bigger than 2 also. 4 is bigger than 1. 4 is bigger than 0. 1 is bigger than 0. -1 is smaller than 0. -2 is smaller than -1. -2 is also smaller than -0. -3 is smaller than -2. -3 is smaller than -1. -3 is smaller than 0. -3 is smaller than 1. -3 is smaller than 5 and so on. This is how we represented the number integers on the number line. This is representing the integers on the number line. These are all number plus numbers. If I just write 1, 2, 3, that means these are positive numbers. To the right are all positive numbers. Whether I write plus 4 or just 4, it means that it is plus 4 only. But to the left, I have to specifically write minus sign to differentiate between minus 1 and plus 1. So a minus sign is always required on the left side of the 0. So you have minus 4 and so on. These are integers represented on the number line. Integers on number line. Is it clear to you all? This is the 0. The numbers go on increasing. The numbers go on decreasing. The value of the number goes on decreasing. Minus 3 is smaller than minus 2. The number to the left is smaller to the number to the right. Number to the left is smaller than the number to the right. You take it anywhere. Even if you go to the positive side also, number to the left will be smaller than the number to the right. You can see from here. 3 is smaller than 4. 1 is smaller than 2. Or 3 is bigger than 2. From you go to the right, 3 will be bigger than 2. If you happen to go to some hotel, there they have lifts. On the lift, you will see the marking 0. That means the ground level at which you arrive. You get down by your taxi or car. You are at ground level or 0. As soon as you enter the lift, you will want to know to some floor. You want to go to some maybe 7th floor. So you can see the markings over there. On the switchboard of the lift, there are numbers marked 0, 1, 2, 3 as you go up, and as you go down 0, it will be minus 1, minus 2. That means minus 1 means one floor below ground level. Minus 2 means 2 floors below the ground level. So we had seen the natural numbers. They begin with 1, 1, 2, 3, and so on. But they do not have 0. So whole numbers have a 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So whole numbers, they extend up to infinity, but they include 0. That means natural number is part of the whole numbers. Natural numbers, the set of natural numbers is part of the whole numbers, because whole number also has 0. Now you can understand this concept in the way that your class, you are in standard 6. Standard 6 is not the whole school. There are other classes also. Standard 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and so on. So you are part of your school. So suppose you have now let us draw some picture here. So you have standard 4 here, standard 4. Your school over here, your school, it has all the standards. Your school will be having all the standards. Your school may be a part of the Naya Nagar you are having, or any Nagar, Naya Nagar or Shanti Nagar, Puja Nagar. So it may be part of that, the school may be part of that Nagar. And that Nagar may be part of that place, like Mira Road or Borivali or Mumbai or Pune. It can be part of that. And that Pune or Mira Road can be part of Maharashtra, the state Maharashtra. And Maharashtra is part of India, because India will contain all the states. The states, one particular state will contain or consist of all the cities and a city or district, and a district will consist of all the uh, places like small places like Mira Road. It is like that. Classify the practice set 4. Practice set 4. Classify the following numbers as positive numbers and negative numbers. Negative numbers will all have minus sign over there, minus, and positive numbers will be preceded by a plus sign. Negative numbers will be preceded by a minus sign. So minus 5, negative, positive, negative. This is positive. If there is no sign, that means it is positive. So 7 is positive. Plus 26 is again positive. Minus 49, negative, negative, positive, negative, positive, positive, negative, negative, positive. Second question. Given below are the temperatures in some cities. Write them with the proper signs. Wherever temperatures are below 0 degrees, you have to make use of a minus sign over there. So minus sign is used, it will precede 7. So it will be minus 7 degrees Celsius. You need not write below 0 again. So it is minus 7 degrees Celsius. 12 degrees below 0 degrees is minus 12 degrees Celsius. Delhi, it is 22 degrees above 0. So it will be plus 22 degrees Celsius, or you can just write 22 degrees Celsius. You need not write above 0 again. It means it is above 0. And for Nagpur, 31 degrees, you drop this above 0 degrees Celsius. So it will be 31 degrees Celsius. Or you can make use of a sign also if you want. But that is understood. If it is having no sign, that means it is having a plus sign over there. Third, question number 3. Write the numbers in the following examples using proper signs. A submarine is at a depth of 512 meters below sea level. Sea level, let us consider it as 0. So below 0 means minus 512 meters. The height of Mount Everest, the highest peak in the Himalayas, is 8848 meters. It is above the ground level. The mountains are always above the ground level. So it is either 8848 or you add the sign plus. So it will be plus 8848 meters. Third example. A kite is flying at a distance of 120 meters from the ground. This is the ground. The child is flying the kite. So the kite is above the the kite is 120 meters above the ground. Meters above means plus, so you have to write either 120 meters or you add the sign plus before it. The fourth example, the tunnel is at a depth of 2 meters under the ground. So the ground, and it has got a staircase to go down. So the tunnel is below the ground. So the train will pass through the tunnel. So it is 2 meters under the ground. That means you write minus 2 meters. The tunnel is at minus 2 meters. Now you can play this game on a playground. On a playground, you walk a distance. Suppose you mark a line on the playground, and as you walk, you mark it as say 200, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, like that. You go on marking up to 2021. Now you ask your friend to stand anywhere. Suppose your friend stands, this is his date of birth, year of birth. Suppose your friend is standing here. So this is 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. So this is 2011. And now this may be 2020. This year it is 2020. Next year it will be 2021. So what is his age? So we have to count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Your friend is 9 years old. Suppose somebody stands over here. Some of your friends stands over here. So what is the year? It is 2014. This is 15 and this is 16. So what is his age? So you start counting: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 2020. So up to 2020 it will be 6 years old. Like that you can go on counting. Now if at 6, now he is 6 years old. 6 years, it will be plus 6. So if, when will she go, in which year she will go to 10th? So it has to be 15 years. You have to complete 15 years of age in order to go to standard 10. So here first, here you will be in first standard, second, third, fourth, like that you have to go on counting and find out the year in which you will be in standard 10. For that we will take another number line. Now you are 6 years old. Now suppose this is the number line, 6 years old. So this is 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, 2030, 2030, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 2035, 36, 37, 38, 39, 2039. Further, you will have 2040. Now, let us try to understand in the year 2020. Suppose this child is in first standard. This will be second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So he will be in 10th. Here the child will be in 10th. That will be in 2029. It will be 2029. Because this is 2030. This is 2030. So this will be 2029. He will be in standard 10.